Beautiful waterfront townhome in the highly desirable Indian Harbour Beach Manatee Point Reserve. 3 bedrooms, 2-bath open floor plan perfect for entertaining friends and family. 1-story unit. Association maintains the exterior and roofs. Large kitchen. 2-car garage. The community offers a refreshing pool. The Soto Park just minutes away. Super convenient to shopping and restaurants. The beach is just minutes away. Screened porch to sit out back and watch the wildlife swim by. The main canal you can fish for tarpon and trout. In the winter, this canal is overloaded with manatee.